Here we go, guys. We're inside our stateroom here on the MSC Meraviglia. Kind of wanted to give you guys a room tour here. This is just an ocean view room. So let's go ahead and take a look. I figured, you know, a lot of people start the room tour walking into the door, but I figured I'd try something different because what's the most important thing you want to see? Outside. So there you go. And it's a round, kind of like that porthole window, which is cool. And then, of course, you can really darken it up if you want. So, very nice. And this is a couch and a bed. It's already been turned down because there's three of us. It's Roberta, myself, and Jake. So, Jake will have this bed for himself. You come around over on this side, and they do have a mini bar. So I'm thinking you have to request to get it unlocked because it is locked at this time. So they do have minibar service in the room. Also breakfast menus. I do like the ice bucket and the glasses. Very nice. Lots of papers, right? It's kind of like old school. It's like you can still look at papers here. So lots of information. We have our remote. Perfect, just small size TV, good enough. I don't watch a lot of TV when I'm cruising, so that's going to be just fine. Of course, the telephone, and we do have our outlets. We have some of our international outlets. We have USB, and we also have those regular United States. So awesome there, like that. I just also wanted to show you here in the drawer, which is really cool on the desk. You pull it out. The hairdryer is actually attached in there, and watch this. You don't have to move it. You don't have to try to plug it in. First time I've seen that in the desk drawer. I really like the artwork. I love the colors of the room. It's very like, you know, it's almost like classy. It really is. It's really nice. I love it. And I wanted to see these lights. These look cool. So let's try these. Oh, they like touch. You just touch. Really nice. So this one looks like, yeah, neat. Another light there so you can, okay, so that works for those. It's got the headboard. Really neat. This, I believe, you can put luggage on so don't mess up your bed. Coming around here a little bit. See if I can get some more lighting. Here we go. These towels look almost kind of like pool towels with the MSC logo on it. That's different. I like that. Classy. And this gives you the information, but what I'm really loving, guys, is it gives you actual papers. You don't always have to be stuck on your phone. Here's your daily schedule of all your different activities. Our destination guide, where you're going on your cruise. Really neat. And then some of the, looks like the family things here for kids. So cool. Bed looks really nice. Like that. And I'm not noticing outlets, though, by the nightstand, so I don't see any. Let's see if there's nothing back there. So definitely no outlets. Let's go back again just to see on the other side for this room tour to see if there are any outlets. No outlets though on the nightstand area. So looks like you just have these two so far is what I'm seeing. Let's continue on over here by the closet. So, yeah. Some people say you can hang on this. I always kind of thought it's kind of cool if you have a small bag, too, for a luggage rack. A lot of hangers. Closet, I will say, is pretty small. Pretty small. There's three of us. I mean, it'll work, but not a lot of space. Okay, and we do have our safe. Now we have some more shelving here, guys. Some of the drawers. Really cool. Working our way around. You also need to put your card in to activate the lighting. Here's our AC unit. And they have this. This is cool. So you can hit the do not disturb or the maid service sign. Right like that. Pretty nice. And of course, the bathroom. Let's have a look. I do notice these nice hooks on the back of the bathroom door. You can hang your towel there, bathing suits, and some more hooks here. So you can hang up, maybe have a little jacket, something you want to wear. if it cools off. And usually on a cruise ship, right, aren't the lights? Yep. Lights are usually always on the outside, right? So here we have it, the bathroom. I like all the white. Very nice. And here's your counter space. A couple of these are nice. You can put your toothbrush in. Nice. The sink is a nice size sink. Of course, the toilet. Working our way up. Some towels here. I have heard through other people they use these kind of hand towels and bath towels, but no washcloths. Let's see. There are washcloths. So you see, sometimes information isn't always right. So yes, you can see here that there's definitely washcloths here. There's 3 of them actually. Oh, and here's a couple more bath towels. So, and some more of the hand towels. So plenty of towels. And here's our shower. Love this. This is familiar, so you can put kind of like your settings here with your temperatures. And then I believe this one will do the pressure. And that's nice. And we have a shampoo and shower gel. Don't see conditioner. Maybe if you request it, they have it. So keep that in mind. Guys, I like to say I'm 5'7", but I'm more like 5'6". So I'd say you got about 7 foot maybe. Ceiling, and they do have the clothesline where you can hang your clothes right there. Pulls right out. Cool. Love it. And this is our first time with an ocean view room, but I think it's definitely worth it for a 3-night cruise. I think it's going to be just fine for us. I really like the room. I'm feeling happy we just got here. We're going to be vlogging everything for you. But guys, wanted to give you a detailed room tour right here on MSC Meraviglia Ocean View.